In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer an opportunity in Salesforce. Maybe you found yourself needing to assign a deal to a different team member, or simply want to switch things up for improved workflow. Whatever the case, knowing how to transfer an opportunity in Salesforce can be immensely helpful. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you get it right with minimal fuss. To start, sign into your Salesforce account and direct yourself to the home page. Consider this your central hub where all actions in Salesforce begin. It's like stepping into the main hallway of an office where you can access all the other rooms from here. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the app launcher. This handy tool functions like a directory, providing you quick access to various apps and features within Salesforce, one of which is the Opportunities tab we're interested in today. Now that you have the app launcher open, find and click on Opportunities. Think of Opportunities as your digital briefcase. It contains all the deals and potential deals you're working on. Within this section, scan the list to select the opportunity you wish to transfer. Just like choosing a file from a physical cabinet, you can open the details of this opportunity to make the necessary changes. Once you've selected your opportunity, direct your focus to the Opportunity Owner section. This indicates who's currently responsible for this particular deal. Understanding this layout is crucial since effective delegation and role clarification around here can significantly impact your company's success. Next, look for the Change Owner settings. Clicking on this gives you the accessibility to set a new owner for the opportunity. This feature is important because it allows you to reassign tasks seamlessly, keeping everyone accountable and projects organized. Once in the Change Owner settings, you'll focus on the Select New Owner section. This is where you'll specify who should now take over this task. Ensure that the new owner is fully briefed and ready to manage this opportunity to prevent any disruption in workflow. After deciding whom to transfer the opportunity to, click on Choose a New Owner. You simply pick from your list of team members who is best suited or recently available to take control of this task. Now, here's a thoughtful feature you'll appreciate: the Send Notification Email option. Enabling this will automatically notify the new owner via email that they're now in charge of this opportunity. It's like sending them a heads up or a memo, ensuring that everyone's updated without requiring extra steps from you. Finally, to cement the changes, click on Change Owner. Salesforce will execute your instruction, transferring the opportunity to the newly selected owner. Knowing how to do this empowers you to maintain fluidity and efficiency within your team, keeping projects moving smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've just streamlined your workflow successfully.